Hello friends, I am Shubham. I am explaining you how to assemble and disassemble electric fan, uh, which is also called table fan, which is available in our home for cooling purpose. It gives the electricity which is available in our home, and it's converted to mechanical energy, and then with the help of fan blades, it gives cooling effect to us. First of all, the various tools we are used for assembling and disassembling. This is a plier, this is screwdriver, this is the spanner set, and this is the insulating tape. This is a controller which is used for variation of speed of electric fan, uh, and then this is this is the nut and screw arrangement for the various positions, up and down positions for the fan as we required. First of all, this is the screw arrangement. When we are loosening it so that it covers the remote, and this is the outside strip. This is the fan blade. Then we are revolving it. It will be removed. We are using the spanner for removing the nuts. These are the again set of nuts on the back side for tight engagement of the cover. These are 4 in numbers. Again, these are on the back side of the now we can see that this is the capacitor, this is the motor, and this is the electric supply. Again, there is a fan controller, electric fan controller, which is available at the back side. These are the connections for controller and capacitor, and is direct to the fan motor. When we are loosening these nuts, we can see that along with the nuts, these are the washers which is used for tightening purpose. This is the strip which is engaged in the nut and bolt arrangement for capacitor. Again, you can see that this is the bearing arrangement for revolution of the stator rod. This is the washer, and when we disengage it, you can see that this is the stator. This is the stator with windings, and these are the insulators. Now these are the long through bolts. When we revolve it, we can see that this is a fan which has a specific shape, so that when it revolves, it throws the air to the forward side. And this is the bearing. In which the rod is fixed and revolved. There are also bush for low friction. This is the squirrel cage. We can see that this is a squirrel cage rotor which is fixed at the stator. Now we are assemble it again. Firstly, we are fixing a stator in the rotor. Now engaging this bearing part. We can also come to know that when we are fixing the bearings where we are providing lubrication such as grease or oil, so that the friction will be minimum. Now I am fixing this. Now I am fixing the long through bolts. these are the 4 bolts. Now these are the washers and nuts. Now we are tightening it with the help of spanner. Now we can see that the motor is fixed, which is the main part of the fan. Now this is the capacitor, which is positioned with the help of the strip, which is fixed at the same bolt with the help of another nut. Now we can check the connections for the capacitor and ensure that the insulation is same manner and proper, so that short circuiting is not there. If in case of short circuiting, then it may damage the fan motor, and then the fan will stop for working. This is another connection. Now we are fixing the fan blades to the motor rod. The fan blades, which is plastic, and another cap which is present for the safety purpose, so that the fan blades are not removed from the rod. Now we can fix it to the main body. Here we have taken the care that the connection are not damaged. Now the fan is fixed to the main body. And tight with the help of curve. Now we are fix the all the nuts. Now we are tightening it so that it not vibrate when the fan is working. Now we are fixing the main cover of the fan, and this is the strip for the complete position of the cover. This is the complete arrangement of the fan. When we tighten the screw of this strip, it will tighten. We can see that this is the complete assembly and disassembly of the table fan. When we plug this wire to the electric board and start the switch so that its fan is rotating.